Hello and welcome to the Philippines. I have a friend renting a place over at Avida Towers in IT Park, Cebu City, and went over to visit the other day, and he invited me to take a video around the area. Very nice pool area. This is operated, owned by Ayala. It's their mid-range condominium project, I was told, and two towers. IT Park is a big business outsourcing area. Many high-rise buildings, call centers, banks, restaurants, a couple of bars. City within a city, if you will, in Cebu City. That first tower was Tower 2, and this is Tower 1 over here. Well, they have nice, decorated pretty nice, don't they?
Yeah, it is, and it showed up pretty well in the Airbnb
Uh-huh.
photos. So
Okay.
it's pretty real,
All right. And you got CR. Hot water, of course. Plenty of pressure up here?
Barely.
Barely.
Yeah, I mean, acceptable pressure, but
Uh-huh. Okay. Well, this is nice. You got a nice size refrigerator. Microwave, rice cooker, coffee maker, toaster. All your pots and pans and glasses. And cooking utensils. Well, it's kind of nice. And a stove. That's nice. That's kind of unusual to see a stove in the Philippines. And storage and extra place to work. This cabinet there. Cable television. And so you have a little bit of a divider here between the bed. It is a studio between the bed, so it kind of separates it out there. Window air conditioning. Nice big window. And there's the view outside. Mountain view, basically. And you have several new condominiums over there. They're another Avida Rialto, I think they're called, being under construction. And I think not too far in the distance, they will start occupying some of those. Very nicely appointed. Some you rented this through Airbnb. You will find some condos very bare bones on furnishings, but this was very nicely furnished. And here's a look at the towers. This is I lived this condo. This is from my balcony, just outside IT Park, and those are the towers on the left there. And there was a place called the Pyramid being built right below me, and I did about 6 different videos. Filipinos building a pyramid. IT Park itself has a little bit of a nightlife, and like I said, many, many, many restaurants, fast food to more sit-down type restaurants, and different operations will bring in their own entertainment any particular night. And I have not found a good site that lists what's going on in IT Park. It may be out there, but if anybody's aware of that, I would appreciate you passing that information along. But lots of fast food, Jollibee, McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken. There's Japanese related type restaurants, Korean, lots of Korean focused restaurants. You can eat pretty cheap, or you can spend extra money. Also, many of the major banks have branches here, so you can do your banking here if need be. Asia Premier Residences is also a condominium in IT Park, and I've done a video about that, so you can search that on my site. I'm sure you can find rentals online there also. Calix IT Park is also a condominium there. It's the building, tall building in the center there, and that's a condominium project, and you can find rentals there. Just check online. I've done a video there. Very nice place. Both these, I've actually took this picture from up on Asia Premier, up by the pool, up on the higher level there. But that is a very nice option. Ayala is also building a new mall in IT Park. I think it's about a 5-story mall. I think it's going to include multi-use type things, even a hotel, I believe. Not sure if they're going to have condo residences there or not. I suspect not because of the additional Avida condos they're building there. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, please share the video, please subscribe. Safe travels to you all wherever you're at, and we'll see you next time.